Sinisigurado ni Gilas Pilipinas Women Head Coach Patrick Aquino na magiging handa ang pambansang koponan para sa paparating nilang kampanya sa FIBA Women's Asia Cup 2025 na aarangkada mula July 13 hanggang 20 sa Shenzhen, China. Yan ang ulat ni teammate Darrell Oclares.
Puspusan na mga ginagawang paghahanda ng Gilas Pilipinas Women para sa nalalapit nilang pagsabak sa FIBA Women's Asia Cup 2025 mula July 13 hanggang 20 sa Shenzhen, China. Butas ng karayom ang pagdadaanan ng Pilipinas na muling maglalaro sa Division A ng torneo at makasama nila sa Group B ang mga powerhouse teams na Japan, Australia at Lebanon. Ayon kay National Team Head Coach Patrick Aquino, hindi naman nabago para sa kanyang koponan ang pagharap sa matinding kompetisyon pero hangad niya sana'y dahan-dahan ng makasabay ang Gilas Women at magawang manalo.
Again, it's been tough all the time. We've been there. We know the level of competition. We got to match up now. It's not just winning one game. It's about winning and competing all the time. So hopefully with the things that we're doing right now and the players that are coming in, we could compete at that level.
Matatandaang naging makasaysayan ang kampanya ng Gilas Women noong 2023 FIBA Women's Asia Cup kung saan naibulsa nila ang ika-6 na pwesto. Nasungkit din ng ating women's basketball squad ang kanilang kauna-unahang panalo sa Division A ng Regional Basketball Tournament matapos na patumbahin ang Chinese Taipei sa group stage sa score na 92-81. Karamihan sa mga naglaro noong 2023 ay aktibo pa rin sa Gilas Women tulad ni Jack Animam, Afril Bernardino, Janine Pontejos, Vanessa De Jesus at Ella Fajardo. Pero inaasahan rin ang pagpasok ng mga young cagers tulad ni Naomi Panganiban, Luna Ozar at Casey De La Rosa.
Yeah, we've been preparing already. We have a lot of programs ahead for the senior team. So it's going to be in July of this year. Hopefully, the girls from the States would come in early, and now mga locals nandito naman preparing for it. And sana dire-diretso lang.
Dagdag pa ni Coach Pat, inilalatag na rin ng Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas o SBP ang mga posible nilang training camp para paghandaan ang Asia Cup.
Yeah, I think so. Me and ED Erica will be talking about the program that will be or the schedules that we're gonna have, and we'd like to say thank you for our executive director, Ms. Erica D, for coming here, watching us, and really the support is very masarap sa pakiramdam, and hopefully now we could give back naman for the country and for the federation.
Darrell Oclares para sa Atletang Pilipino para sa Bagong Pilipinas.